What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Shopify account and cancel Shopify subscription. Now the first thing you need to do guys is to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Okay, now I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now the first thing guys you need to do is you want to click on settings, okay, and you want to click on plan. Now after you click guys on plan, you want to click on cancel subscription. Now for me it says here deactivate trial. Now you want to click on cancel subscription and you want to simply give them a reason like I'm not making enough sales. Here it's optional, you don't need that, and you want to click on continue. Now after guys you click on continue, within like a few hours your store will be inactive. Okay, now if you have a domain name connected to your Shopify, you can transfer it to another Shopify store if you want. Like if you want to get rid of the Shopify store and you want to create a new one so that you can start from scratch, you can do that. You can transfer your domain name to that store. Now before you leave this, like after you cancel subscription or after you delete your account, you need to cancel like subscription if you are paying for an app before you like log out of this store. By the way, it will be inactive, so you will not be able to use it after you cancel guys subscription. Now you need to click on settings and you need to click on apps and sales channels, and see here if you are paying for an app you need to cancel the subscriptions, because the app will charge your credit card even if you have deleted your store. Now if you don't know how to cancel subscription on apps, I made a video in the screen, so make sure you watch that video in the screen to learn how you can cancel the app subscription. Now hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.